The roar, the crunch, the chaos. Experience the raw force as extreme chippers and shredders demolish everything. Pure mechanical mayhem awaits. Witness total destruction now. Witness the raw power of the Moros. HP 1100. Its intense cutting force and smart side compression system obliterate even the toughest car frames effortlessly. Equipped with variable angle cutting and a wide 1000mm blade, nothing stands in its way. Dual 125 horsepower motors drive this beast, maximizing speed and efficiency in metal recycling. Pure demolition power. Check out the Pezzolato PTH 1200/820M in action. Running on a 540 horsepower Scania engine, it might seem modest, but look how smoothly it devours those logs. The feed system is incredibly consistent, minimizing stops and starts. This boosts fuel efficiency dramatically and keeps the chips flying. It's satisfying to see such smooth, steady performance from this drum chipper. Whoa! Just look at this Terex TDS 820 shredder having a dance with this unfortunate tree stump. In mere seconds, that enormous root ball completely disappears, vanished without a trace. The sheer speed and destructive power are mind-blowing. Boom! An estimated 30,000 tons of rock displaced in one single, earth-shattering moment. The scale is just immense. What do you think of that raw power on display? Enter the future of aggregate processing. This combination of a wheel sand washer and power screen equipment isn't just efficient, it's redefining quality. Watch as raw sand passes through the power screen, precisely removing coarse impurities. Then, the wheel washer takes over, gently scrubbing away silt and clay, leaving behind pristine, high-grade sand ready for construction. A perfect synergy. Meet the Vecoplan Viaf, AZ120/105, the gentle giant of recycling. Its powerful 240mm rotor, driven by a 22-kilowatt motor, tears through scrap wood, plastics, and thick cardboard. Yet, its smart hydraulic system ensures surprisingly smooth and precise operation. It's where power meets finesse, turning waste into reusable material effortlessly. Nothing beats watching the Lindner Uraco 95DK dominate heaps of scrap metal. Its massive 2,500mm twin shafts deliver an insane 480,000 Newton-meters of torque, shredding steel frames and drums like they're nothing. This 42-ton beast stays stable on its tracked chassis, powered by a durable 750-horsepower Scania engine. Impressive power. A used 2019 model like this runs around 424,000 USD, worth every penny. Calling all biomass and green waste processors. The Terex Ecotech TBG 530 T high-speed shredder is a game-changer. Don't let its sub-500 horsepower engine fool you. Its innovative feed system conquers notoriously difficult materials like strapped pallets, tough bark, and even contaminated wood other machines struggle with. It punches way above its weight class, setting new efficiency standards. The power of this shredder is just mind-blowing. Car wheels are tough steel, not flimsy junk, yet this machine tears into them without even pausing. It doesn't flinch. It really begs the question, what on earth would it actually take to slow this beast down? Watch the skillful Senebogen 835E with its Liebherr grapple gently guide these cars towards, well, their final destination. The conveyor belt leads straight to shredder doom. It makes you wonder, as you asked, what cosmic fate awaits them next. Could your everyday nail clippers have once been a roaring muscle car? The mysterious cycle of metal continues.
For the feel or for the...
Already flattened, but its journey isn't over. Now, witness the shredder unleash its fury.
Each motor is 1,250 amps.
So it stays there so many seconds and it'll shut it off.
Yeah, so...
It's a brutal, decisive end. No turning back, just complete annihilation into unrecognizable pieces. Raw shredding power, transforming metal into recyclable bits instantly.
I like it.
If the grinder's inside, underneath that, this that you're pulling up and down is over here.
So that little 8-pressure roof looking thing?
Yeah. Our shaft is flying.
Prepare your senses for the Bravo B16. H, seeing this colossal machine work is truly an overwhelming experience. Its immense size and raw power don't just crush cars, they rip through solid steel like it's tinfoil. The deafening sound of tortured metal, the visual of the giant blue beast dominating the Australian landscape, it's a captivating blend of violence and mechanical beauty. Got bulky waste like these huge 58-inch wooden cable spools? The Comar Dual Auger Compactor offers a smart solution. It shreds and compacts in one seamless operation. Watch those powerful twin augers grab, crush, and densify the wood, drastically cutting down volume and making disposal or recycling far easier. 2 jobs done at once. That's efficiency. This isn't just any trailer. The Kobzarenko PT24 is a productivity powerhouse for modern farms. Hauling up to 24 large bales means fewer trips. Its wide bed and responsive hydraulics turn moving heavy, awkward bales into a smooth, fast operation. Seeing it glide across the field, stacking securely and handling terrain with ease, shows why it's indispensable for maximizing harvest efficiency. No time wasted. As soon as the bales arrive, the AXTOR8012 jumps into action. This versatile shredder immediately pulls those large straw bales into its massive processing chamber. With up to 800 horsepower unleashed, it rapidly transforms bulky straw into a fine, consistent material ready for its next use. Deep winter in Loos, Sweden, can't halt progress. At Dick Person's site, the Brooks mobile chipper, mounted on a rugged Scania, defies the snow and cold. Logs are relentlessly fed, emerging as clouds of steam and wood chips in the frigid air. These chips fuel the Froling boiler, bringing vital warmth. It's a striking scene. Powerful technology enduring the harsh elements to provide essential energy.
Virke, snälla mig. Det går bra det ja.
Stage 1. Unleash the Mutec MG-Z 1030. Hear it roar as it aggressively shreds aluminum scrap into manageable pieces. Stage 2. The R4/3700 briquette press takes charge. It methodically compresses the shreds into dense uniform 60 by 40 millimeter briquettes, perfectly formed and ready. In our modern world, facing mountains of plastic, metal, and wood waste, industrial shredders act as silent guardians of our planet's balance. They do more than just process waste quickly. They reshape materials, preparing them for recycling and strengthening the sustainable resource loop. Shredders, not just destroyers, but rebuilders of hope for a greener tomorrow. Experience perfect synergy. Watch the Terex Ecotec TDS 820 slow-speed shredder collaborate seamlessly with the TDS 520 medium-speed shredder. This powerful pair processes waste wood efficiently, producing top-quality P63 biomass. Their combined action minimizes unwanted fines and oversized material, delivering an ideal finished product in a single, streamlined pass. See the WEMA WLK 1500 single-shaft shredder in its element. It makes short work of these tough plastic beverage crates. No fuss, just steady, powerful shredding performance. Its reliable design effortlessly processes crate after crate, turning bulky plastic waste into easily manageable fragments, ready for recycling or disposal. Feel the vibrations fade? That was pure mechanical mayhem. If you crave more roar, crunch, and chaos, subscribe now. Unleash the next episode.